Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on Victoria Castman's quilt that she donated last year. She donated two at the same time, blues and white. There's a video on that as well, so check it out. It's quite beautiful. I love it. I'm sorry there, Sophie. Guess I scared her when I stepped back. I didn't mean to. So we're going to quilt this one up today, okay? It's very beautiful. Love it. Love the blues. So I've got the blue light actually on the machine, and I've got white thread, so you should be able to see it stitch out as it's going. So I'm filling this up myself, and I got a little idea in my mind, and we're just going to go with it, okay? So here we go. And start. 12 stitches per inch. And I've got, of course, the belts are off. Okay. And I'm just going like making a circle, and then sometimes making a little loop and coming down, make another little circle, up to the top. Just fill it in, just work your way. Put loops in there, come straight to the center, do a small one, just go on the outside and straight down. And I was just working a couple rows at a time. And then just have some fun. Just fill it in with these fun circles. Circles and lines. They don't have to be even, they don't all have to be the same, they don't have to be different, you can just be crazy. Just have some fun, some circles and some lines. Don't forget to move. I find to do circles and stuff much easier when the belts are not hindering me from the smooth movements that I need to make or don't want to make when making circles. So I find it's easier to have it off the belts. And hopefully you can see with the black light. And of course it looks a little bit green when the light gets over the fabric, but it's, you know, it's a light blue. It does take on a little bit of a green tinge, I did notice. That's just the light. There we go. And you could do some chalk marks if you wanted to make sure you had, you know, a certain pattern that was being consistent, or you wanted to keep consistent, or what if you wanted it to say something, you know, what if you're trying to make letters or do hearts or, you know, whatever, you know. There's many different ways you can make this your own, put your own spin on it. Don't forget to move. That is very important. Moving so the project is always in front of you. Okay. And you can get the best movement possible if you have it right in front of you. You know, I guess it kind of look like sometimes lollipops or snowmans or I don't know. I'm sure there's many different ideas that you can come up with as well. And that's how I'm going to fill up this whole beautiful quilt. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but the first one that Victoria donated to the quilt shop via a charity cause, it went to United Way and brought over $475, I do believe. It was a friend of mine who took it for her work, and they raised money for United Way with it, and it was awesome. I'd have to go back through my text, but I'm pretty sure. I know it was over 400, so that was awesome. I thought that was a great combination of, you know, two people's efforts, Victoria's and myself, and we brought awareness and, you know, quite a bit of money donation to their cause. So, well, I think quite a bit. I love how this thread just kind of pops right up on the fabric. It's beautiful. Pops up on some and then disappears on others, which is okay. You know, that's kind of what you want with a thread. You don't want it to stand out as, pay attention to me, you know, I'm the only thing about this quilt. You know, you want to see the whole pattern and the structure of the quilt and the beautiful piecing of it. Go right to the end here, and then I was just going and starting off on the other side, like the same way. Hopefully you had a chance to check out our Jacob's Ladder we're doing on the Sunday live stream. We're having an amazing time there. It's really coming along. I only have about 10 more blocks to make, and we've got a very interesting pattern layout for it. So I hope you guys end up watching it. It's been a lot of fun. All right, down this one here. Put something in the center. Down around the edge. And there, and off. There we go. And that's pretty much how I'm going to finish this whole project. See? We'll go over it. Let me just cut these threads here. And we'll go over it a little bit so you can see. Okay? Isn't it pretty? Pretty little shapes. And I'm just going to kind of sandwich them together, you know, like do the next line, put it over, so on and so forth. So that's going to keep me busy for a little bit, so stay tuned for some pictures at the end, so we'll take a few more. And thank you very, very much, Victoria, for your lovely, lovely donation. And I will let you know where this one ends up going, okay? So stay tuned and check it out. We'll put it on the Facebook group and the webpage of pictures of this when it's all done. So thanks for liking and subscribing and thumbing up and sharing our videos and everything like that, and checking us out on Patreon. We greatly appreciate it. We hope you have a fantastic Wednesday, and we'll see you on the weekend project, where we're gonna have kind of a fun project, something for everybody, really, you know what? So just watch, okay? Take care. And of course, the bonus video for the weekend, because Sunday's Canada Day, so you'll be getting a bonus video on that day, because we're not doing the live stream for that day, okay? All right, take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day. See ya. Bye-bye.